I ended up coming to Duke University for the premise of just a lot of research opportunities in general, but I had never had research opportunities in high school, nor did I really know what research looked like. And so when I saw like the CNRI, I was like kind of freaking out. I was like, oh my God, like I get to do research and I get to get paid for it. Like it was just like the perfect opportunity for me. I didn't think that I would get it, but I did. And so the reason I had just applied was because I wasn't really knowledgeable about the research opportunities at Duke, even though I do know it is a very research heavy university. And then also I was just kind of like scrolling to see any like lab positions that I could get. And a lot of them did require prior RA experience that I didn't have. And so to have the CNRI as an opportunity was great because it provided me with some experience that I could then take out into the real world and then embark on other research opportunities in the future.